popping and I got no other option. I've been moving like a goblin, I've been shooting like a rocket, and my pistol be so toxic, ain't nobody touching me. If you go against the squad on the paper, you just see sign playing with you niggas, cause you know I'm coming back at the drop. When you niggas pulling up like where you at, by the motor lawn, time to take the snakes out the grass. I ain't gotta say it slow because I spit it way too fast. If you ever owe me something, then you better pay in cash. I don't have to be first, but I will never come in last. Make a lot of people nervous when they see me in the mask. Got the whole squad around, fuck around and we gon' blast it.
And I'm never in the mood, that's why I be going crazy. All I do is shit on niggas, that's why everybody hate me. And I'm faster than you niggas, better take it off on safety. And I'm tired of giving lessons, at this point you should pay me. Man, you never been a boss, man, you never been lit. Man, you never put in work, man, you never done shit. When you step up to the line, man, you better not miss. Got a 40 and a 45 all up on my head. Yeah, I try to run the town, yeah, it's really going down. Yeah, I try to run the town, yeah, it's really going down. Yeah, I try to run the town, yeah, it's really going down. Yeah, I try to run the town, yeah, it's really going down.
Hey, I'm trying to run the town, I gotta get my money up. No limit on the store, she gotta get them funds up. I'm going door by door, you ran into the time is up. You should've known I'm back in town, shutting shit the fuck down. I need them benches, babe, you wanna keep the business running. Invest in your life, nigga, your family counting on it. That's the price to pay if you wanna keep it safe, homie. Rather me or them, or it be a different story. I'm like your lifeline, you better keep that mandatory. Cause when them ops come around, that be a horror story. That's why I'm here, baby, locked and loaded, taking glory. Headshots in Modern Warfare, that's the category.
Yeah, I try to run the town, yeah, it's really going down. Yeah, I try to run the town, yeah, it's really going down. Yeah, I try to run the town, yeah, it's really going down. Yeah, I try to run the town, yeah, it's really going down. And I really run the shit, but they act like they don't know me. We be walking with them sticks, make a shot like it's a goalie, and we making green like the Eagles going for the win. And we feel it, and we turned up, yeah, we going in, and we going up, we doing it big. Coming from my hometown, niggas showing off with a pistol, gang gun down. If you tryna beef online, you getting shut down. We be coming through like every play we made a touchdown. They ain't ready for it, that's a different category. They ain't saying shit, they just wanna watch my story. I got all the answers like I got a cheat code. They call me Ben Simmons, but I'm better with the free throw. Yeah, I try to run the town.